You'll already know that Gaelic has two words for if, ma and nan. We use ma with present, past and future verbs. Maha was stay, if you're in. The other if word, nan, is used with conditional sentences. Bhíonn go maith tálaigte nan ciall. I'd be happy if they came. And there's a third word for if, the negative Mura, if not, used in all tenses and with the dependent form of the verb. Mura velu cínteach, if you're not sure. In English, if not can stand alone, but in Gaelic, Mura must always be used with a verb. Will you be back for dinner? If not, I'll keep you some food. In Gaelic, we need to pick up the verb used in the question. And be with ash airson nuair. Mura bí, cumimi mi bí. And similarly, if so, are you coming with us? If so, bring a coat. If ilu a cíall, call the rain. Maha, hodd cocht a lech.